So today what I'm sharing with you is the YORK Pinafore from Helen's Closet. I've made 2 of these so far and I love it. The one I'm sharing with you today is the one that I made in this beautiful peacock fabric from Joann's. It's a linen-like fabric. And I bought this when I first started sewing just because I loved the print so much. I had no idea what I was gonna make with it. And then the YORK Pinafore showed itself to me and the two just magically went together. Like I said, I've made 2 of these. The second one was in a canvas fabric that I got from Style Maker Fabrics, and that one came out a little short. So that one I always wear with leggings, but this one is a little bit longer. I don't know, I must have added some past the pattern and didn't write on the pattern. But I definitely want to make more of these. It's such an easy throw-on casual dress. And you'll see here that I have styled it one with a short sleeve, just a basic black tee, and some cute rust orange sandals that I have in my closet. These happen to be from Vince Camuto. I got them years ago, but they tie in very nicely with the self-made bias binding that I made out of some leftover linen that I had that matched the peacock fabric perfectly. And so that's the first way that I styled it. And I just wore basic gold hoops with both, well, I kind of styled it 3 ways. I don't know if the third one is actually a third version. It's just an added layer. And then the second way that I styled it was with this kind of, it's a long sleeve tee, but I wear it pushed up. And it's just this black and white stripe. It's a ready to wear. You can see it's kind of, the shoulder seam is kind of pulling forward. I don't care. It's super comfortable. It's from Old Navy years and years ago, and it's just a great black and white striped tee to throw on and add some jazz to any outfit. And I like the pairing of the stripe with the peacock fabric. And I also threw on some black leggings. These are capri leggings, and I threw on some rhinestone studded mules from Steve Madden, and I just think the outfit is perfectly complete. Well, unless it's chilly outside. And then my third version of styling is I just threw my denim jacket that I got from Kohl's several years ago. It's just a denim jacket. It's got like a frayed hem. It's stretched denim, so it's super comfy. And I just threw that on top of this outfit for my third styling option. And that is it for me. So I am gonna link a review to the YORK Pinafore up here in the cards. I think it goes over here. I always point this way, but I think it goes here. I highly recommend this pattern. There's a lot of hacks out there, so you can do some different things with it. I love it. It's super comfy. I add a little bit of length to it just because I don't like it in the middle of my thighs. That's too short for me. But other than that, it's a really fabulous pattern, so I do recommend it. And I see more of these in my future next summer. Probably not before then, but definitely gonna make more of these for my summer wardrobe. Anyway, happy Vlogmas Day 2. I look forward to watching other people's Vlogmas. As you know, I'm doing it a little bit different, and I'm so inspired by everybody else's. They've got all this fun, like Christmassy music and videos and stuff. I'm not doing all that. I don't have time. I film these as I'm getting dressed for work in the morning, so it is what it is. I hope you're enjoying it anyway. Anyway, wherever you are, I hope the weather is amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in, and I thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.